To choose a piano, there are three factors to consider: the type, the brand, and your budget. Hi, I'm Adami, concert pianist and founder of Adami Music Academy. Let's get right into today's topic. The first factor is the type. There are two main types of pianos: electric and acoustic. Electric pianos have five main advantages over the acoustic instruments. Number one, they are more affordable. Number two, you can adjust their volume or use a headphone. Number three, they are easy to move around. Number four, they don't need tuning. And number five, they can be connected to many other devices such as computer, audio interfaces, and speakers. Now, on the other hand, the acoustic pianos have their own comeback at the electric pianos. They have the superior sound quality that no electric pianos can ever match. They usually have better keyboard action. And lastly, they don't need electricity, so you can use them during blackouts. All right, with that out of the way, when choosing an electric piano, make sure you follow this checklist. Keyboard must have 88 keys. Keys must be weighted. It must have the foot pedals, and it must be on a stable and sturdy stand. Now, apart from the mentioned qualities, any other button that the electric pianos might come with is considered bells and whistles for a piano student. However, if you wish to use it for a composition or perhaps some live, non-classical performances, the extra buttons may come in handy. On the other hand, when choosing an acoustic piano, you have two options: the upright and the grand. The upright pianos are usually more affordable and take up less space, and the grand pianos are exact opposite. That being said, whenever it's possible, it's better to purchase a grand piano. In general, a well-made grand piano has a much rounder tone quality as well as better keyboard action. The second factor in choosing the piano is the brand. Now, when you're considering the brand, do a bit of research and find out the answer for these questions. Mind you, these questions carry more weight for the acoustic pianos. So here are the questionnaire you want to ask yourself before committing to any instrument. Number one, what is the country of origin? Number two, does the instrument have warranty? Number three, how much does it cost to repair compared to other brands? Number four, how long has the company been in that business? Number five, is it handmade? And number six, who makes the action for the keyboard? The final factor is the budget. And although the budget is in your hands, here's my advice: don't cheap out. Get an instrument that will stay with you for many years. And with that said, when buying any piano, make sure you also get a height adjustable and stable piano bench. Without the proper height, width, and the proper cushion density, you will have a much harder time at the piano, not to mention you will most likely develop bad posture and end up hurting yourself. So the bottom line is that while the electric pianos can never replace an acoustic one, if you're interested in taking piano lessons and the adjustable volume is an important issue, or you don't have much room in your home, or perhaps you want to approach it without spending too much money up front, then an electric piano might just be the best option to begin your musical journeys with, and as you progress, then with the guidance of your piano teacher, upgrade to a more suitable piano. Having said that, we have curated links to some budget, mid-range, and as well as high-end electric pianos and benches down in our description. And with that said, I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you next time. Bye.